Howdy, this is Jake with YouTube Auto Repairs. Today we're working on a 2013 Chevy 2500 HD and had a leak in it this morning. So what we did is we ran and got it high and found out that the leak was coming from the back of the radiator. If you come down over here and see, we have it out now. I'm going to actually show you where it was cracked at. But basically wanted to just give you some quick tips on how to take it out. Remove all this shrouding here, the upper and the lower. You're going to need to take this air cleaner off, the air filter in the neck. Move the upper hoses out the way. Now I took the fan off to make the shroud a little easier to come out, but that's not entirely necessary. But I just don't like to fight parts, so I just take things out the way that need to be out the way to get the job done correctly. So if you follow me over here, I'll show you exactly where the radiator was cracked at.
Video.
Now, you weren't able to see it while it was on the car, but if you remember where I told you it was cracked at, so let's say it was sitting, this would be the back of it, so you can't see it, but there clearly is the crack right there. Okay? Hopefully you can see that on the video. So, I mean, this car has only about 60, 70,000 miles on it. So the reason I'm making this video is to let you know, don't be fooled by low mileage on a vehicle. You still have to do all the maintenance according to the manufacturer specifications, and I believe that was the case here, that the coolant never got changed, it got contaminated and cracked the coolant system. So if you like the video, give a thumbs up, share it, check out my other videos, and as always, thanks for watching.